This greedy ex-wife was worth over $500,000, but when she refused to give her ex a single dime, the judge did not let her get away with it.
We've got a plaintiff here with a net worth exceeding $500,000. It is a case, Your Honor, essentially of, I would suggest, gender reversal. We have a husband who doesn't earn very much. Her earnings are about 2.6 times his. Even at this point, he has almost $382,000 in student loan debt. Look, he's taken the position that none of this $340,000 in equity in the marital residence he's entitled to. And then they have the temerity to file a response to a motion alleging in a public court file, implying that somehow my client, when getting massages to treat his spinal radiculopathy, his cervical spine radiculopathy from his years of firefighting, that somehow he's consorting with and with her $500,000 in assets to fund this, in addition to receiving additional money from her parents, my client being tapped out and his only source of funds being his 80-something-year-old mother, and that has come to an end. He is entitled to an award of fees and costs under MCR 3.602D to enable himself to hire an expert, pay his lawyer, and fund his defense of this action.
Mr. Burke.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is nothing more than a money grab, Your Honor. The defendant makes $65,000. As referenced in my brief, that is an average household income in Michigan. The defendant has very minimum expenses, and his income is quite simply disposable income that he uses for his sole benefit. We ask that the court deny this motion.
What we do have factual support for, Your Honor, is that the plaintiff here has an income that far surpasses my client. The plaintiff will continue in this litigation. She has engaged this expert. She says she's going to value his degree. We have to be able to do that as well. And we can't be victimized by the plaintiff's obvious plan here to put Ryan in a position where he can't pay his lawyers. But in any event, look, we have a huge disparity in income.